Good morning, everybody. Woke up and my nose is stuffy today. And that's no fun, so I'm going to have to get some medicine for that. But we are going to breakfast, and then we are going to my sister's apartment to see what it looks like. Just visit. But I don't know about yesterday's video. It was kind of boring. And I was just taking random videos because I had nothing to talk about. Which is really happening a lot because I've been doing this for a while. Anyway, I gotta go. Well, it's a little bit of an adventure. We tried to get to my sister's apartment complex, and every single road into her place is blocked. So now we're just waiting for her to get here. Don't think we're gonna be able to get there quite yet. I think we're gonna have to wait because there's a parade. It's 4th of July, and there's no way in. So Tash is riding her bike over here to try to find us, and then she's also looking for parking lots that we could go through, but I don't know. We'll probably just have to do it later tonight because it doesn't seem possible quite yet. Nope, that's not her. Bye. Hey everybody. My nose is stuffed up this morning, but anyway, I decided to convert all my music from Windows Media Player to iTunes because I plan on getting an iPod here in the next 3 months or something. Hopefully I'll have enough money soon. But it's taken a long time. I have all these songs. I am at song 111 out of 7,186 songs.
So you have about 7,000 left.
7,073. 7,073 songs left. Yay!
Fun time.
Alright, I just finished editing my video. Now it's publishing. It is going to take 19 minutes. So, now I wait. 18 minutes, alright. I bought Papa Roach's song Kick in the Teeth. I realized, hey, it's probably out as a single, so I got it. Yay. But this video is up late, but I don't really honestly think anyone cares, so neither do I. That's pretty much all I have to say. Oh, I was editing the video, and I finished. I clicked publish, and it froze, so I had to redo the whole thing. It was annoying, but hey, it's done, so I'm happy.
Idiot.
If it's where mom is,
Idiot, look.
Yeah.
Look.
but if you were if it was where mom is and you were there, you'd smell it.
Right. That's gross.
They're not this big each, but there would be 3 or 4 of them.
Yeah.
Maybe sitting by the
What is
TV in plain sight.
Well, what would you guys do with Cookie and Charlie?
We wouldn't. We don't bring Charlie there very often.
Oh.
She's
Okay.
been there 3
Yeah.
times. Yeah, Dad will always sit there and say, can we bring Charlie? I'm like, I don't know, because I know Charlie doesn't want to come.
Yeah.
When I was there once, Charlie was in my bed sleeping, and she shoved her butt in my face.
Yeah.
Adia does that too. She gives you her butt instead of her face. I'm like, Adia.
Charlie doesn't do that with me because she sleeps on my bed
Idiot.
sometimes.
Right.
And
Idiot,
she sleeps
look.
down at the end on the
What
other
is it?
side of the bed because I
What's
think
this?
she thinks I'm going to kick her if I go over. Occasionally she'll sleep up
Adia.
near me, but usually no.
Have you had your dinner, Adia?
Do you think she still remembers your dad?
I think she does.
Have you had your dinner?
She remembers you. A
Oh,
lot.
yeah.
Because you give her treats every time.
I used to take
Even when
care
you're
of her.
not there, the boys will say,
Have you had
Charlie,
your dinner?
Nana's here. And she'll go
Yeah,
right
we'll
to
go.
the front door,
Like, she'll be
look out the window.
perfectly calm. We'll be like,
She used to
Charlie,
recognize my
Nana's
car.
here.
Yeah, she
Someday I had a new
She
car,
probably
wouldn't
does.
Where's Idia?
Ask her if she wants her DINNER. She, yeah.
Idia.
For her dinner.
DINNER.
No, say the word.
Oh, dinner? Well, you used to do DINNER with Charlie, and she'd be like,
Oh,
there she
yeah,
is.
she knows.
Adia, dinner.
Do you want your dinner, Adia? Well, come here.
She hasn't had her dinner.
Do you want your dinner?
Well, we've been gone.
Yeah.
We usually feed her about
Idia.
6:30, but we were at
After that.
Come here.
I was gonna say,
She's like, who's gonna give me my dinner?
Adia.
it hurt my ear.
Sit. Speak. 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 Adia, come.
She's just sticking her head around the corner.
Wait, try
Come here, Adia.
Try the charger thing.
No, she's all focused on dinner
I
now.
was gonna say, now that you mentioned
Your,
it.
her head cocked to the side.
Good girl. Good girl. Do we deprive you of food? Hardly. Just give her water first. She just drank some.
Yeah, she did.
Alright, and don't give her any water. I'm just gonna give her a little. Don't give her much at all. I won't. It'll just be a
She drank.
Yeah, she drank a lot.
I'm actually editing the video now, and I see fireworks, so I'm gonna record them. Hopefully, that light's really bright. There we go. Yeah. Here we go. I'm liking this right now. I can just sit at the desk and just look right out there, and they're right here. Look at that. Fireworks right out the window. And I'm just sitting down. I just turn over here, look, and I can just go boom, and fireworks once in a while. Like, you can hear them when they start, so I can be like looking up, be like, what was that? So I'm loving it right now.